I urgently needed some storage space for my channel, a place to store videos, photos, audio, music, and so on, because my USB flash drive, which is designed for ISO images on Windows, was filling up way too fast. So now I'll tell you what I was expecting, what I actually got, and the pros and cons of this solution. I decided not to buy used drives on OLX Shaffa or other marketplaces because I kept coming across ones with bad sectors or a screenshot showing one hard drive, but the actual product turned out to be a completely different model. So I decided to go to Rosetka, and of course I thought SSDs would be expensive while HDDs would be cheap. If that were the case, let's take the same SSD, a 1 terabyte model from Kingston or Guderian, which costs $6,000 or $8,000, while a hard drive costs $4,000. And my criteria weren't about speed, but reliability. I'm not going to play soccer with a hard drive. I'm not going to lug the computer around anywhere. It'll just sit there for years. So I'm going with an HDD, and in theory, a terabyte should last me about 5 years, maybe even 7 if I keep everything compact. My games are still on an NVMe drive anyway. Yeah, and I remember back in 2019, drives cost around $1,000 or $1,500. Times have changed. So there was a second problem too. I also have a 500 gigabyte Samsung hard drive, but it made such noises, such a hum, that the whole desk was shaking. The case was literally buzzing. I tried everything. I put rubber pads underneath and I mounted it with clamps, and I covered the case feet with rubber. Well, it helped a little, but it didn't solve the problem, so I thought, well, I'll get a modern HDD. It was actually manufactured in 1925 in Taiwan. It's been around for quite a while. So it arrived, I unboxed it, as you can see in the video. The humming and buzzing, of course, got quieter, but it didn't go away completely. And I went down that path too. I'd already added rubber feet and all that and all that. But you know what? I just accepted the humming noise and installed an additional 500 gigabyte hard drive, but in the bottom tray. So the whole tray is packed with hard drives. I'll show you in a screenshot. And some kind of synergy happened, some kind of miracle, and the humming stopped. I'm not an expert in electronics myself, but it's a miracle. Yes, there's still some vibration, but it's not like it used to be. Besides, it's just the physics of hard drives. There's nothing you can do about it. And by the way, check out my cable management. I'd give it a 0 out of 5. No, staravsa, chachab staravsa. Well, I tried my best. At least I gave it a shot. And I'll also show you its speed. Under 200 megabytes per second for a drive like this is insane. That means I'll be able to transfer projects back and forth quickly. And by the way, I ran a zero fill test on it, and the WHDD utility results are, well, typical for a new HDD. That's what payday means. But I wouldn't have made this purchase if it weren't for my sponsors who regularly support me every month through YouTube sponsorship. Specifically, I want to thank Roman Permanov, Alexander Mazur, Alexander Sivachenko, Taras Vinskovsky, Mykola Horoza, Yaroslav Gutsalenko, Yevgeny Chesnikov, Kelleron Delatin, and Strafe. And it's only thanks to you that this channel can exist and create content like this, for example, about HDDs. Thank you all, and see you soon. Dear viewers,